Hello, and welcome to another update on SUI. The SUI chart has shown the bounce we wanted to see. I still find the yellow scenario looks cleaner than the blue scenario, even though blue is perfectly fine as well. In both scenarios, we are watching for higher prices. Okay, that's my view on a lot of other altcoin charts as well. ADA, for example, Solana, many other charts I'm covering as well. But of course, with any analysis, we need to understand when structure starts to break, and structure starts to break with a break, with a break below Fibonacci support, which is located at around $3.45. So any decisive break below 345 would indicate that the upside structure is broken, and that is the 78.6 retracement, right? That's the 78.6 retracement. So any break below that level indicates that we have to assume that this wave 2, which, presumably bottomed already in August, is still unfolding. So that's what we're tracking here, an uptrend with a clear risk level short term. Please note the scenario will change below 344. At the moment, as long as we're holding above that level, nothing is changing. But we can still try to identify new developments and try to make sense of the microstructures, even though nothing has changed. But let's see if we can map out what's going on here, make sense of it. Well, first of all, we'll see that the resistance area is still located where it was located yesterday. So that is unchanged, but a good reminder of what we now need to expect over the coming sessions. So resistance is currently being tested together with the previous swing high here at around $3.89. The move to the upside is currently looking like a three-wave move up, which kind of makes sense in the context of an ABC structure to the upside within this B wave. The higher the B wave, the better from a bullish point of view. The higher the B wave, maybe it even overshoots. That would be best case. Yeah, getting that B wave above the previous high would be even better. The higher the B wave goes, the more it supports my idea that we're actually in a local uptrend. Because, well, of course it makes sense if you listen to it. But the point is, at some point we should see another pullback like the C wave down. The higher the B wave, the higher the probability that the C wave can actually hold support, because the C wave and the A wave, they tend to have the same length. So the higher the B wave, the better the higher probability is that actually the uptrend I'm already tracking, I've mapped out, that they are actually valid and relevant. Because and again, we need to give that C wave a little bit of room. Okay, so let's say the B wave is weak, that C wave might break support. So that's not so good, right, from a bullish point of view. So the higher the B wave, at least 396, should give us good probabilities that support holds in any C wave down. And this is the zone, just a reminder, this is the zone where we should see higher prices, from where we should see an upside reversal. And if I see 5 waves up and 3 waves down, we might have already bottomed as per the blue count. But then I need to see a 1-2 setup. Yeah. So the bulls' objectives over the next few sessions will be a break above resistance, a decisive break, not just a wick, a decisive break above $4.11. Whether that means we do it directly or after a C wave down is literally just noise. The market will have to decide that in the moment. And then obviously what we want is a break above this previous swing high there from July. Here we talk about $4.44, $4.45, and then the market should move towards $4.78 and $5.31. So that's what we're tracking currently here on the SUI chart, which means ideally a little higher in the short term, and then tracking here the price's reaction to Fibonacci resistance, knowing that another dip is likely, but also knowing that $3.44 is the line in the sand, and we can give the market a little bit of room for a pullback. So just a pullback from here wouldn't necessarily be bearish. It would be part of the yellow scenario. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, feel free to check out the video here on our channel page. It explains the member benefits. It explains how the membership works. You can join our member live stream today at 5 p.m. UTC, around about 2.5 hours from where I record the video. And again, it's a great space to connect. You can also watch the member videos. You can connect to Discord if you're a gold member. With the Discord membership, you get access to a lot of additional updates and so much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.